Linux is often presented as the symbol of freedom, privacy, and technological independence. It is the operating system that powers everything from smartphones and servers to supercomputers and countless devices around the world. Millions of people love Linux because it gives users control over their computers instead of forcing them to follow the rules of large corporations. But behind the powerful image of open-source freedom, there is another side that many people rarely discuss. The Linux world has challenges, frustrations, and hidden problems that can make the experience difficult, especially for new users. One of the biggest realities about Linux is that freedom comes with responsibility. Unlike commercial operating systems where a company handles many decisions for you, Linux often puts the responsibility directly in the hands of the user. You have incredible control over your system, but that also means you may need to solve problems yourself. Installing software, fixing compatibility issues, configuring hardware, or understanding system settings can sometimes require technical knowledge that beginners do not have. The open-source community is one of Linux's greatest strengths, but it also has weaknesses. Many Linux projects are created and maintained by volunteers who dedicate their free time to improving software. While this leads to innovation and creativity, it also means some projects may disappear suddenly, receive slow updates, or lack professional support. A popular application today might become abandoned tomorrow if developers no longer have the time or motivation to continue working on it. Another issue that many people do not talk about is fragmentation. The Linux ecosystem is not one single operating system. Instead, it is a massive collection of distributions, desktop environments, package managers, and development philosophies. This variety gives users freedom of choice, but it can also create confusion. A solution that works perfectly on one Linux distribution might not work the same way on another. For newcomers, choosing between hundreds of distributions can feel overwhelming rather than empowering. Hardware compatibility is another area where Linux still faces challenges. While Linux support has improved dramatically over the years, some devices may not work perfectly out of the box. Certain Wi-Fi adapters, graphics cards, printers, fingerprint scanners, and specialized hardware can still require additional configuration. Many users expect a smooth experience similar to commercial operating systems, but Linux sometimes requires patience and troubleshooting before everything functions correctly. Gaming on Linux has also experienced major improvements, especially with technologies like compatibility layers that allow many Windows games to run. However, the reality is that Linux gaming is still not completely equal to other platforms. Some popular games with strict anti-cheat systems may not work properly. Certain game developers still prioritize Windows because of market share. Although the situation is improving, gamers who switch to Linux may discover limitations they were not expecting. Software availability is another hidden challenge. Linux has thousands of applications, but not every popular program has a native Linux version. Professional users in fields like video editing, graphic design, engineering, and certain business environments may depend on software that is unavailable or limited on Linux. Alternatives often exist, but replacing familiar tools can require learning new workflows and adjusting expectations. The open-source world also has a social side that can sometimes be difficult. Linux communities are usually full of helpful and knowledgeable people, but some communities can feel intimidating for beginners. New users asking simple questions may occasionally receive responses that are too technical or dismissive. The culture of "read the documentation first" is valuable, but when delivered without patience, it can create a barrier for people who are trying to learn. Security is another topic where reality is more complicated than the common belief that Linux is automatically secure. Linux has strong security features, and its open development model allows many experts to review code. However, no operating system is completely immune to vulnerabilities. Poor configuration, outdated software, weak passwords, or unsafe practices can still create security risks. Linux users must understand that security depends not only on the operating system, but also on responsible usage. The complexity of Linux can also become a disadvantage. Many enthusiasts enjoy customizing every part of their system, from the desktop appearance to the smallest background process. However, this level of control can create endless possibilities for mistakes. A simple configuration change can sometimes break important components, and fixing those issues may require searching through forums, reading documentation, or using command line tools that beginners may find intimidating. Another overlooked problem is that the Linux ecosystem sometimes struggles with consistency. Different distributions may use different package formats, system structures, and update methods. Developers creating software for Linux often have to support many different environments, which can make development more complicated. This is one reason why some companies hesitate to create official Linux versions of their applications. The open source philosophy itself also has debates and disagreements. Not everyone in the Linux community agrees on the same goals. Some people prioritize complete software freedom, while others focus on convenience and practical usability. These differences have created conflicts between projects, communities, and developers. While debate can lead to progress, it can also slow down decisions and create divisions within the ecosystem. Despite these challenges, the dark side of Linux does not mean Linux is a bad choice. In many ways, these difficulties exist because Linux offers something different from traditional operating systems. It gives users control, transparency, and the ability to shape their computing experience. But freedom requires effort, and Linux rewards people who are willing to learn and explore. The truth is that Linux is not a magical replacement for every computer user. It is a powerful platform with incredible advantages, but it also demands curiosity, patience, and a willingness to solve problems. The biggest misconception about Linux is that it is either perfect or impossible. The reality is somewhere in between. Linux is a journey, and like any journey, it has both beautiful landscapes and difficult roads. The future of Linux looks stronger than ever. More companies are supporting open-source development, more hardware is becoming compatible, and user-friendly distributions continue to improve. But as Linux grows, the community must continue addressing its weaknesses. Better documentation, easier software installation, improved hardware support, and more welcoming communities will help Linux become accessible to even more people. The dark side of Linux is not about exposing a failure. It is about understanding the complete picture. Every powerful technology has limitations, and Linux is no exception. The same freedom that makes Linux revolutionary also creates challenges that users must overcome. Once people understand both sides, they can make better decisions and appreciate Linux for what it truly is. Not a perfect operating system, but a constantly evolving movement built around choice, collaboration, and innovation.